It's time to ditch the bad neckties and the socks he'll never wear and upgrade your Father's Day gift giving with the best in outdoor cooking gifts. My kids know that the way to my heart is a good outdoor cooking Father's Day gift, so this video is as much for them as it is for you. Now, I work in outdoor cooking every day, and these are my absolute favorite items that I would love to receive for Father's Day. Now, right out of the gate, it's the Thermoworks ThermoPen 1. Now, I can't say enough good things about this little instant read thermometer. It's fast, it's accurate. I don't have to hold my hand over the grill for 5 or 6 seconds to get a good reading on what I'm cooking. Now, it's simply an amazing instant read thermometer, and if you're watching this video before Father's Day, there's a killer sale going on right now with a ThermoPen. Now, I've never seen it this low, so it's a perfect time to jump in on a ThermoPen for Dad. This is one gift I know he'll love. Now, a new sauce that Dad hasn't ever tried is a winner in my book for Father's Day. And Captain Rodney's sauce and glaze is what we turn to keep our guests coming back for more. Now, I picked up my first bottle of Captain Rodney's Boucan glaze a couple of years ago, and our house hasn't been without it since that day. It's a little spicy, a lot sweet, and it's great for everything from smoked cream cheese to glazing your favorite meats on the grill. Now, we use this stuff on everything, and it's not uncommon to see our guests here at the lab pick up the bottle and take pictures of this sauce so they can get a couple of bottles for themselves when they leave for the night. Now, that right there tells me that it is a winner. So if your dad hasn't tried Captain Rodney's yet, this is a great Father's Day gift that will change the way you eat when you visit. If Dad likes to grill, GrillGrate hard anodized raised rail grill panels will take his grilling to the next level. Now, you might think that these grates are all about the sear marks. And while they do give amazing sear marks on meat, for me, it's about utility. If you turn these guys over, you have a flat top for your grill that you can make smash burgers, bacon, vegetables, and so much more. That's the number one thing that I love about the grill grates that I use on my grill. It's about having maximum flexibility to cook anything. Now, don't get me wrong, the sear marks are way better than I get on standard grates, which always impresses guests, but that flip side of adding a flat top to your existing grill is a huge bonus. Just use the link in the description below, put in the model of your dad's grill, and use the code BBQLAB 10 to save 10% off your order. The website will tell you the exact size you need to custom fit your grill grates to your dad's grill. Now, a good brisket knife is the difference between nice, clean slices of brisket and chopped brisket. And I've been using this 2.0 brisket slicer for years here at the lab. Coming in at under $25, this knife is a great price compared to many of the other options out there. And it slices brisket with ease. Now, this is the knife that I used in our best offset smoker head-to-head comparison, and it sliced 6 brisket flats in about 15 minutes without any trouble. It's a great gift for dads who like to barbecue and need a slicer for the larger cuts like brisket, turkey, and prime rib. Now, I just checked and it's 1-day shipping as well, so it's a gift that you can get even at the last minute to make sure that you win Father's Day. If lighting fires for charcoal grills, fire pits, pizza ovens, and the like is something your dad is often found doing, the best gift I could recommend is the GrillGun from Grill Blazer. This propane torch is the #1 way that we light fires here at the BBQ Lab, and it's the first thing that our guests ask to see. I know that when we're having people over, nobody wants the fire lit before they get here because they want to be the one to use the GrillGun to light it. Now, this could be the gift that you get your dad that's really a subtle gift for you because you'll get to use it when you visit. And then you'll want one for yourself, so you might as well order 2 because once you've tried it, you can't go back to rolled up newspaper and matches. It's simple to use. Just turn the gas on until you hear it flowing, pull the trigger to ignite, and then set how aggressive you want the flame. If you pull the trigger handle, you'll get maximum power, and it's simply the most fun way I know of and the fastest way to light a fire. Grill Blazer also offers the Sous Vide gun, which is great for lighting fires, but also excels in putting a sear on meats. Both units make a fantastic combo. Use the code BBQLAB to save 10% on your order. If smoking meat low and slow is something your dad enjoys, then a new barbecue rub he hasn't tried yet is a winning gift for Father's Day. Now here's one that I've liked lately. It's Dirty Bird from Cosmos Q, and this stuff is really great on chicken. Now if your dad is anything like me, I want to try all of the rubs out there, so a new bottle or two is a great Father's Day gift for me. It's even better when it's an 8-pack of rubs that I haven't tried before, and that's what my kids picked up for me as a surprise. Now I love getting to try new rubs, and I like it even more when it comes as a gift and I don't have to go out and buy it myself. It just makes it taste all the sweeter. So whatever your dad's go-to seasoning is, pick him up something that he hasn't tried this Father's Day and help him branch out with some new flavor combinations. If your dad likes to light a fire but needs a place to do it, you can't go wrong with the Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 fire pit. There's a sale going on right now where you get a free mesa with a fire pit purchase on their site, so it's a 2-for-1 gift. Or maybe it's a free mesa for you and a fire pit for dad. I won't tell if you won't. Just use the code FREEMESA, FREEMESA, at checkout and you will unlock the free mesa for you. Now the new Bonfire 2.0 has the easy ash cleanout tray that makes cleaning out the fire pit a breeze. Just lift out the tray full of ash when it's cool, drop it in the trash, or better yet in the garden to enrich the soil, and you're ready to fire it up again. Now if you go this route, you're also setting yourself up to make future Father's Day gift giving even easier. There's so many accessories that go with a Solo Stove fire pit, like the roasting sticks, grill and griddle attachments, deflector shield, stand, a lid, fire pit tools to work with wood, and just much more. So the gift of a Solo Stove Bonfire is really setting yourself up to make gift giving easy for years to come. If dad likes to cook outdoors but is still cooking pizzas on the grill, this is the Father's Day to make the move to an outdoor pizza oven. Now the Unicaru 16 takes your pizza making to another level by giving you temperatures up to 1,000 degrees for crispy pizza bottoms and melty brown cheese on top. The Caru 16 can be used as either a wood or gas-fueled oven with the optional gas adapter, and can keep the pizzas coming with a short rebound time from one pizza to the next. Now with the gas burner, as soon as I pull one pizza out of the oven and put the toppings on the next one, it's ready. So no time is lost waiting for the oven in our testing here at the lab. Now one thing you'll rarely see me without is a good insulated cup wherever I go. If your dad is anything like this dad, I know he's going to love it too. So my go-to cup is the 30-ounce Yeti Rambler. I have one that I use for my morning coffee and another that I use for my afternoon beverage of choice. I just grab some ice from the outdoor kitchen, and this cup will keep me going all day long. It keeps cold drinks cold and hot drinks hot all day, and it's a staple in my daily routine. Now ditch the world's greatest dad coffee mug this year and get him a cup he'll really use every day. The Rambler has been great for me, and it's trickled down to the rest of the family as well, with Melissa and the kids jumping on board the Yeti train over the last few years. Now if your dad is hard to shop for, give him a Rambler. I know he'll use it. If you have a dad who likes to grill and smoke meat, a vacuum sealer is a perfect gift. Now I know that I'm smoking pork butts and briskets all the time, and it's always more than our family needs for any meal, plus more than we can eat in leftovers before it goes bad. Now this is where we lean on our meat external vacuum sealer to take our leftovers and turn them into future ready-to-go meals. We'll seal up packages of brisket in just the size that our family will eat for one meal and freeze that vacuum sealed bag for when we're ready for brisket leftovers. Now, it makes sure that we're getting the most out of our barbecue meats, and our family and friends love it when they can raid the freezer and take smoked meats home with them. Encourage your dad to stock your freezer with barbecue meats by giving the device that makes it all happen for Father's Day. Now, when it comes to reheating barbecue in our house, we take our vacuum sealed packages of leftover barbecue meat and stick them in a sous vide to bring them back to temperature. It's by far the best way I've found to reheat leftover barbecue. Now, I really like the VacMaster SV1 Sous Vide. and recommend it as a great Father's Day gift. I use the Sous Vide when I'm cooking for a crowd, and I've cooked things ahead of time, vacuum sealed things up, and need to keep it at serving temperature. It's a fantastic device that makes easy work heating frozen or refrigerated meats without overcooking them during the reheating process. Now the controls are easy to use and it just plain works. If your dad has yet to jump on the Sous Vide train, it's a great gift that will take his outdoor cooking to new heights. And if you want to wow your dad on Father's Day, you can't go wrong with the Grill's Silverback AT pellet grill. When we tested 8 grills under the $1,200 price point, the Silverback really stood out in the comparison with features that we didn't find on the rest. There was more stainless steel inside the grill, a more robust app and controller than most of the contenders, grill grates that could be used for both grilling and smoking, and just much more. Now there's a lot to like about the Silverback pellet grill, and if your dad is looking to up his outdoor cooking game, don't sleep on this cooker. I've had people fighting to borrow the one we have here at the lab, so know that dads like this one. Now if you're looking to go big this year, definitely check out the Silverback. When I think of great Father's Day presents, my first Yeti cooler comes to mind. I had just used coolers that were handed down to me or on sale at the store until a few years ago when I got my first Yeti 45 cooler. To say the Yeti was a stark contrast to what I was used to would be an understatement. I use my Tundra 45 to rest briskets and pork butts overnight without them dropping into the danger zone of below 140 degrees Fahrenheit. We have a whole video out testing these coolers on how they hold meat. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link down below. It's a fantastic test to see how you can use a cooler to hold meat. But I use this Tundra to keep cold and frozen things cool from the multiple stops that we make at Costco, Sam's Club, the grocery store, and more. It's the go-to cooler that we use for long trips across the United States. Just fill this thing with ice and you can keep food and drinks for days without worry of things spoiling. Now, if your dad doesn't have a Yeti cooler, it's a stellar gift. Now, I have one Yeti cooler and it comes with me everywhere in the bed of my truck. It would be an awesome gift for dad this Father's Day. Now here at the BBQ Lab, we're always measuring temperatures, and our go-to when we're not measuring internal temperatures for meat is the Thermoworks IR gun. This infrared thermometer measures temperatures with a laser dot and is as easy as point and shoot. I use it all the time when I'm making pizzas, from measuring the temperature of the dough when mixing to make sure it doesn't get too hot, to measuring stone temperature in the pizza oven to make sure it's hot enough to crisp the bottom crust before I launch a pizza. Now we use it during our testing to measure how hot fire pits get when they're lit, as well as grill grates when we're ready to sear. Now if your dad likes to test things and play with fire, the IR gun is a great gift that won't break the bank. If you're looking for the ultimate gift, you don't need to look any further than the Griddle outdoor griddle. This is the same griddle that we installed in our outdoor kitchen, but you can get it on a stainless steel cart as well, so it's outdoor kitchen quality in a standalone unit. Now we've used our Griddle 30-inch for so many meals with our family and friends. From countless smash burgers to pancakes and bacon, marinated chicken fajitas with onions and peppers, and more than I can list in this video. But it's been our go-to griddle for everything here at the BBQ Lab. What really sets it apart for me is the stainless steel top, and what makes it special is the cast iron plate that's fused to the stainless top. It gives you both the heat retention of cast iron without the problems of a cast iron top being exposed to the elements. Now I love that this top won't rust, and I can use ice to clean it. Now ice just melts and releases the stuck bits with steam, and I scrape it into the drip tray. Easy cleanup without the worry of rust. So if you're looking to have your mic drop moment at Father's Day this year, that's the best idea I can think of to set you up for success. Now it's not too late to sign up for our Thermoworks Signals giveaway. It would be a great present for your dad for Father's Day, and best of all, it's free. All you need to do is click the link in the description below and you can enter to win. You can just go to thebbqlab.com/giveaway and you can register to win. There's just a few days left before we reveal the winner right here on the channel in a YouTube short, so make sure you register to win before it's too late. So who do you know that you could share this contest with? That's one of the ways you can earn an extra entry for yourself, so head on over and check it out. If you like this video, consider hitting that thumbs up button. It sure means a lot to us when you do. And if you're into everything outdoor cooking, then you found your people. Hit the subscribe button and join us as we test the best in outdoor cooking and outdoor living. I'm David Gafford from the BBQ Lab, and happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Send this video to the kids or to your other half and let us do the list making for you this Father's Day. Here's to all the hardworking dads out there. Have a great one.